Borno State Governor Babagana Umara Zulum has paid a sympathy visit to Bama following last Thursday's devastating windstorm that claimed 4 lives and destroyed homes and public facilities worth millions of naira. The governor, during the visit, expressed concern over the impact of the disaster on residents, many of whom are returnees still rebuilding their lives after years of insurgency. He stressed the need to curb indiscriminate tree felling, which contributes to the increasing destruction caused by windstorms across communities. Mohammed Goni reports.
The heavy windstorm, accompanied by rainfall, swept through parts of Bama, leaving widespread destruction in its wake and rendering many families homeless. Governor Zulum sympathized with bereaved families and affected residents, announcing a donation of 500,000 naira to each family that lost a loved one in the incident. He disclosed that officials of the Borno State Emergency Management Agency and the Ministry of Reconstruction, Rehabilitation and Resettlement were already the level of damage and documenting affected persons to facilitate government support.
We need to examine the root causes of what has happened. I believe the main problem is about desertification. People decided to fell trees anyhow, arbitrary felling of trees within Bama and its environs. Not only Bama, throughout the state. The Borno State government has been advocating for the preservation of the flora and fauna species in the state. But unfortunately, people don't heed to the advice of the Borno State government.
The governor also appealed to federal agencies, including the Northeast Development Commission and the National Emergency Management Agency, to assist victims of the disaster. Governor Zulum further assured residents that ongoing projects in the area will be completed, while remaining communities yet to be resettled will return before the end of his administration. He also pledged continued support for farming activities to improve livelihoods. Chairman of Bama Local Government Babagana Burma and member representing Bama Central in the State Assembly, Malabukar Sunoma, said more than 1,200 houses were affected by the windstorm and appreciated the state government for its prompt intervention.